guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got from Nychy. Well, I ordered it from Amazon, but the store is from Nychy. It is a kinky straight unit, and this is supposed to be, I think it said ginger on the website, but it's looking a little more red. I believe this is 24 inches, I think, if I remember. And it has the adjustable strap on the back. It's a full lace on the inside with the little clips all around it. So this is human hair, and I did review a kinky straight unit before in another video, but that one was synthetic, and I didn't really like that one that much because I felt like it was too much hair and I couldn't really get it to flatten out a little bit more. So I bought this one in human hair because it was a pretty good price. So we're gonna see if this is a lot better than the other one and if I like this one. I don't really have my braids as flat as possible. I put them in 4 sections and then kind of like stretch them and clip them to the back, so it's not the best foundation, but we're gonna see if this is big head friendly or not, because that is very important, especially for my head size. I cut off the lace on the front. I'm going to finish cutting off this little bit of lace along the back. Okay, so I cut off all the lace because I like to cut my lace off before I put it on my head. Some people don't, and that's okay. I do my wigs pretty differently, but I think it's really because I have such a big head size. Okay, so let me fix this strap and then I'll throw it on. So I went ahead and put on the Got To Be glue and the Ebin hairspray. That's what I like to use to lay down my wigs. And so far, honestly, it seems like it might be big head friendly, but we'll find out when I glue it down. And I'm looking in the mirror or the camera while I do this, and not the mirror because the mirror is here. So let's see how good I get this. So as you can see, like, I went it down a little further, but this is as far as it will go. So I'd say it's pretty close to big head friendly. I just have a very, very large head, so it doesn't go all the way down where I usually like it, like right here. So honestly, I'd say it's pretty big head friendly. It's really just the edges, like over here on this side. And on this side, it doesn't cover my sideburns all the way. Like my hair, my sideburns are still showing. Other than that, I feel like it fits pretty well. It doesn't feel tight. It's just, it does show my sideburns still. So I guess that's not really much of a big deal. My sideburns are like a darkish, kind of like a medium brown color actually. But I'm gonna try and swoop some baby hairs to mix in with it, and hopefully that will help. I put this on to lay it down, and I did pull out a few baby hairs that I'm going to cut, but I want to show you guys like the back of the wig and the like density of it before I straighten it and everything to leave it flat. So this is what it looks like naturally out the package. So I mean, this is, I believe it said on the website it's 200% density, and this definitely, to me, it feels like it. It's a lot of hair, and it's long, but I feel like when I hot comb it a little bit, it's gonna look more like a natural blowout, which is what I want to go for. That's why I keep trying to find a kinky straight wig that I'll really like. Straighten this and hot comb this. I actually feel really good about this wig so far. I did not bleach the knots, so if you guys notice, the knots are pretty dark, so you definitely want to bleach them. I did not yet. I probably will go back and do it, but I'm gonna try and put some makeup on it to make sure it hides it a little bit. But definitely bleach the knots if you want it to look a lot more natural, because they're very dark. I moved the camera so that way I'm right in front of my mirror so I can see in the mirror better. And I'm going to spray the hair with this. It's a 3-in-1 moisture spritz, but it also works as a heat protectant. So I'm gonna spray it all throughout the hair. And this smells really good. I don't remember where I got it. I think Ulta, but it smells kind of like, not really like Fruit Loops, but like Hawaiian Punch or something. Like, it smells like a fruity drink, if that makes sense. but it smells really, really good. I love using this to even refresh my curls and my natural hair too. So I'm going to part it. This is probably going to be a long process, so I'm going to cut some of it out because this is a lot of hair. Look at this. Okay, so I split it up. I have a clip in the back. I'm using this straight iron, and I have it at 450, which is the highest it will go. But I'm going to try and do just like one pass through, and then if it's still not all that flat, I'll go back and take the hot comb afterwards and I'll go through it again. So I'm going to start this whole process. I'm going to stand a little further back while I do this too. Okay, I did more than one pass through on that one, but I was just trying to get the hang of it and see how it was gonna look. Okay, so my cord's not long enough, so I might bump out of the camera a little bit, but I'll try not to. This is how she looks after I straighten it. And this is after I took the wrap off. As you can see, you can still see my sideburns, but it's laid down really well. Now I'm going back through and using a hot comb to get out a little more of the wave to make it a little more straight. And then I did part it. I should have put foundation on the lace, but I didn't. I forgot. But I'm just going to go ahead and try and fix it up and maybe pluck it a little bit. Yeah. So let me hot comb it. So I feel like I got it as far as I could. I feel like this part right here is probably just because I have my braids like right here underneath, so maybe that's why it's still just a little bit poofier. But also, I mean, this hair, it's just naturally poofy. You really don't need to lay your hair down, I guess, really well underneath it. So I'm going to spray some of this glossing spray on, I guess, just to give it like a little bit of a shine, but not like an unnatural shine, just like a pretty shine. Now the baby hairs, I'm using this Kiss edge control. You can find literally at every Walmart, I guess, or most Walmarts. Alright, here's the edges. This piece is coming up a little bit. I guess I glue that piece down very well. But here's like the baby hair that I did. I kind of want to cut layers into this, which I haven't really done much of, but I want to try it. It's in some layers, y'all, so let's see if this is gonna work. So I pulled out these pieces in the front because I feel like that's what I see people do. Oh shit, I think I already messed up. Okay, let me look in the mirror. How am I gonna cut this side? Oh jeez, How do I do this side? This is so confusing. Ah, it didn't work. Okay. Just go for this. Okay, I tried to do something. I don't know if it really helped much. I honestly feel like it's just because my braids underneath are right here. That's why it's like making it look kind of boxy. So what I'm gonna do, I'll leave these pieces out and I'm going to do the claw clip style that I was talking about earlier. Make sure I glue this piece down again. Okay, so this is what I got. I went ahead and did some more makeup because I didn't have on any foundation or anything. And I did kind of like a nude lip with a brown lip liner. I put it up. Let me show you. Let me show you my outfit. Okay, so that's all I have today. Ignore my bed, ignore all the mess. Look at my outfit instead in this beautiful hair. I actually really like this. I do. And I like that it's so thick. When I have this up, you can't even see the tracks. Like you can't see underneath. It's so thick and there's still so much hair down. I do like that I put these like kind of layers, attempted to. I definitely will try to bleach the knots. Definitely will lay my hair down flatter next time I wear this so it doesn't look too boxy on the side. But I really like this. I think it's soft. It really is soft. I think it took the heat pretty well. I feel like the color is really pretty, especially for the fall. So, look at my cat. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. I'll put everything in the description box and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.